Hey Luxo lovers, welcome back to Luxo-Life, your partner in life. Today, we've got a really awesome topic lined up for you. The 2024 trend set to explode. I'm fully invested. If you're always on the lookout for the hottest trends of the year, you're gonna want to stick around for this one. We're diving into the trends that are about to take off big time. And remember, if you find our video useful, don't forget to show us some love. Alright, let's get into it. Understanding the life cycle of business trends. Alright, let's dive into the life cycle of business trends, a journey every trend goes through from start to finish. Think of it like a seed that sprouts, grows, and eventually matures. In the beginning, there's a spark, an innovative idea that catches fire. It's fresh, exciting, and brimming with potential. Entrepreneurs and investors who spot this spark early are the ones who stand to gain the most. They ride the wave of growth as this trend goes from a quiet buzz to a loud roar, capturing the attention of more people. But here's the thing, no trend stays in the spotlight forever. Once it hits its peak, the story changes a bit. This is when the trend has caught on widely and the market starts getting crowded. It's like a popular restaurant that suddenly everyone wants to visit. Soon enough, the uniqueness starts to fade. This stage is crucial because it tests the trend's staying power. The growth slows down and the initial excitement stabilizes. Businesses in the game now need to play smarter. It's about refining and adapting rather than just riding the wave. Then comes a phase that can be a bit tough, the decline. This is when the market becomes saturated, or a newer, shinier trend comes along. The decline phase is a reality check. It's when some businesses might see diminishing returns and the once lucrative trend doesn't seem that promising anymore. But it's not all doom and gloom. This phase demands creativity and agility. It's about finding ways to stand out in a crowded market or knowing when it's time to pivot and embrace change. However, it's not always the end of the road. Some trends manage to reinvent themselves. They find a way to become relevant again, often in a new avatar. It's like a great comeback story. And in the business world, comebacks can be pretty spectacular. Understanding this life cycle isn't just academic, it's practical. It helps you navigate the world of trends with your eyes open, ready to catch the waves of opportunity, and smart enough to know when to ride them and when to look for the next big thing. The rise of TikTok as a business tool. Now that we understand the life cycle of business trends, let's talk about the app that many people around the world are using these days, which is the TikTok. This app is not just for dancing and lip syncing, but is also a legit business tool that's making waves. TikTok has become more than just a platform for fun. It's turned into a powerful tool for businesses to showcase their creativity and connect with a massive audience. If you've been sleeping on TikTok, it's time to wake up and smell the opportunity. Picture this, TikTok's creativity program and TikTok shop are like the new kids on the block in 2024. These features are not just fancy add-ons, they're game changers. The creativity program is a hub for businesses to flex their imaginative muscles, creating content that's not only entertaining, but also showcases their brand in a whole new light. And then there's the TikTok shop, a virtual marketplace where businesses can directly sell their products to TikTok's massive user base. It's like having your own store, but with a global audience. Now, some skeptics might say TikTok and business don't mix, but hold up, the numbers don't lie. TikTok has billions of users worldwide, and it's not just the Gen Z crowd. Businesses are finding gold in the diverse user base. It's a place where trends are born, and if your business catches the TikTok wave, you could ride it to some serious success. The key is to tap into the platform's vibe, be authentic, and create content that resonates. The potential of virtual reality or VR and cryptocurrency. Now let's talk about the dynamic duo of the tech world, virtual reality or VR and cryptocurrency. In 2024, they're not just buzzwords, they're potential game changers. VR takes us to new realms, creating immersive experiences beyond our wildest imagination. Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, is reshaping how we view and exchange value in the digital era. Now imagine combining these forces. It's like peanut butter meeting jelly. They just might be a perfect match. Virtual reality isn't just for gamers anymore. It's breaking barriers and stepping into various industries, from education and healthcare to business meetings. Imagine attending a meeting in a virtual boardroom or exploring ancient civilizations through VR. The possibilities are mind-blowing. Businesses are beginning to see the potential of VR not just as a novelty, but as a tool to enhance experiences and engagement. Now let's add cryptocurrency to the mix. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are making waves as decentralized digital currencies. They're not just an alternative, they're becoming mainstream. The marriage of VR and cryptocurrency opens up new realms of possibilities. Picture this: virtual worlds with their own economies where you can buy, sell, and trade digital assets securely. It's a shift from the traditional way we think about money and transactions. Sure, some skeptics might say it's too early to call, but the signs are there. VR and cryptocurrency are more than trends, they're shaping the future. The role of AI in shaping future trends. Speaking of shaping the future, let's zoom in on the unsung hero quietly playing a pivotal role in transforming the landscape: artificial intelligence, or AI. AI isn't just a fancy term, it's a powerhouse technology that's fundamentally changing the game. AI goes beyond being just another trend. It's a tech evolution that's here to stay. It's not about a specific business model, it's about a technology that's seamlessly integrating into our daily lives. From voice assistants and recommendation algorithms to more complex applications in healthcare and finance, AI is becoming the backbone of innovation. It's like having a digital companion that learns and adapts to our needs, making our interactions with technology more intuitive and efficient. Now here's the catch. As much as AI is shaping the future, it's still in the process of unfolding. The underlying technology is advancing, but the mass accessibility is a work in progress. We're on the brink of something big, but it's not an overnight transformation. Businesses and individuals need to recognize that AI isn't just a tool you add to your kit, it's a paradigm shift. It's about embracing a technology that's not just changing industries, but challenging us to rethink how we approach problems and solutions. The democratization of software development. For sure, you still remember how we discussed AI shaping the future, no? Well, this is like the sidekick that's helping more people join the superhero squad of tech creators. No capes required, just a computer and a vision. We're in an era where building software is not just for the tech whizzes. It's becoming accessible to anyone with an idea and the drive to make it happen. So what's this democratization all about? It's breaking down the walls that used to surround software development. In the past, creating software required a special set of skills: coding, programming, and all that tech jargon. But hold up, now we've got what we call no-code tools. These are like the magic wands for aspiring tech creators. You don't need to be fluent in code, you drag, drop, and build. It's like turning complex software development into a user-friendly experience, making it possible for more people to turn their ideas into reality. This ties back to the rise of trends we talked about earlier. Remember TikTok and its creative program, or the potential of VR and cryptocurrency? Well, imagine more people having the power to create apps or software that enhance these experiences. It's not just the big players in the tech industry, it's everyday folks bringing their unique ideas to life. It's a shift from a select few holding the keys to innovation to a world where innovation is in the hands of the many. So as AI continues to shape the future, the democratization of software development is like the bridge connecting that future to the present. It's empowering individuals and businesses to harness the potential of trends like VR or AI without having a PhD in coding. It's not about keeping tech in a secret club, it's about opening the doors wide and inviting everyone to be a part of the tech revolution. Now let's zoom in on an emerging trend that's shaking up the software world: micro software as a service, or micro SaaS. It's like the bite-sized version of the software world, tailor-made for those looking to create niche solutions. We talked about democratizing software development, right? Well, microsas takes that concept even further. It's not about creating massive, all-encompassing software, it's about crafting hyper-specific solutions for a smaller audience. Think of it as the local bakery of the software world, serving a unique slice of the market pie. Now, how do you navigate this new frontier and build a successful SAS business? The key is in the strategy. It's not just about jumping on the trend bandwagon, it's about understanding your niche inside out. We mentioned TikTok and VR as trends earlier. Imagine creating a micro-SAS that enhances those experiences. This strategy is all about solving a specific problem for a specific group of people. And here's the game changer. You don't need to shout to the whole world, you just need to connect deeply with your niche. It's like finding your tribe in the vast digital landscape. Looking ahead, the future of software development is intertwined with personal branding. We've talked about AI shaping the future, the democratization of software development, right? Well, here's the next chapter: future trends in software development and personal branding. Imagine being not just a creator, but a brand in the software space. It's about personalizing your approach, building a reputation, and creating a market within yourself. The lines between software creators and personal brands are blurring, and those who embrace this shift might find themselves not just riding the trend wave, but becoming a trendsetter in the evolving landscape of technology and personal branding. And that wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed the content and found it helpful, please remember to hit the like button, drop a comment, and share it with your pals. And hey, if you're new around here, why not subscribe to Luxo-Life? Just click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop with our latest updates. Looking forward to having you join the Luxo-Life community. Until next time, Luxo lovers, see you in the next video.